glad we're all here now.
Yes,
Happy to see us.
I could sleep last night.
Well, we were really excited to see you as well.
So weird.
Oh no, I was just saying, so yeah, this is the loop. And then we can get off in the, like... Where is it? El Capitan's there.
The more I look into Yosemite, the less I realise I know.
Yeah, it's... Because, like, the thing is, this is the road. The reason it's so busy is because there's this road. That's it, though.
Yeah.
Well, this is the road side, but that's not Yosemite. This is all just, well, wilderness.
It's very hikey.
Yeah, like there's no roads anywhere here.
Yeah.
So, it's one square like a... Was square being high?
No. Spooky. Say hello.
Hola.
Say hello, Frieden.
Say hello, Zach.
Hello, Zach. Is that what you want? Focus on it. Oh, yeah.
Not as many other people coming up to the Grand Canyon.
Again, this isn't the main way to go. It's kind of the back way.
This is the back one.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Is this the route start?
Yeah. US Highway 180. Look at all the horses.
So people are getting good photos after you get photos of that.
Really badly because it's not stabilized at all and I can't walk back. You're so pale on this. I don't think it knows what to do with you. I can do vertical too. Yeah.
Too golden to be on. I'm not an aviation guy.
It's 2012. Fastest helicopter.
Oh, interesting.
Marmot.
No, well,
North Ireland. I feel like we could have put another plane there.
where? I don't see where.
The spot.
That spot. Sure.
Landing gear?
Yep. No, the landing gear's in front of you.
Oh, he's sitting here all day. Where's Marmot? Hey, pilot.
Do you see that big lever right in front of the yoke, or to the left of the yoke? That's the landing gear. Yeah.
Oh, that's a lever on it. Oh, I can't.
Well, you don't want to put them up. You'll fall onto the ground. Unfortunately.
Oh, it's like a bike.
Yeah, that's how you actually turn the engines. Yeah.
What's this? This is how you wind it up.
That's the trim.
What's the point in having two
Just in case the engine's feeling
Yeah,
behind the road.
What's this?
Oh, there is the minigun. Yeah.
I can drive.
Here's the Arizona flag, all the way over there on the tail of that plane. Wow.
Oh, I can't wait to have a shower and go to the pool. But in water.
I think the pool will be my show.
Yeah, I just feel so. I feel like I'd feel a bit bad giving the pool in my current state, but I don't think that. Well, chlorine probably.
I'm not going to get that.
We've got the RV! There's the huge car!
DLO, Owen.
Wow! So, this is where Matthew sleeps. Say hello, Matthew.
Hello, Matthew.
Yeah, good boy. This is the toilet with the shower. There's me. Hello, me. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm filming like a tour.
I'm filming a tour.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Delete it.
No.
Yes. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. There's a ladder onto the roof there. Matthew and Frieden haven't realized it's there. I've been on the roof already, but don't tell anyone. Can you see it all? There you go. Hey Matthew, where are we going now?
We're going into Los Angeles.
Oh, whereabouts in LA?
I don't really know.
Is it downtown?
It could be uptown.
Oh.
It's basically more exciting. Is this?
It might do.
Well, I'm definitely not drinking from Frieden's water lately.
Frieden is really kind. He's been doing very nice gestures on this trip.
Oh, thank you.
We want any brownie points. On what day? Because they're a
I
family.
think it's Frieden started for last time.
I mean, was this just coincidental or just something?
I don't know. Is Katie paying?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she is. If she's not, I feel kind of cheated because.
Oh, we're coming here anyway.
I think it might be in California. We'll see. Is it not?
The encroaching desert led to Timbuktu's decline. Modern times. Today, Timbuktu tourism industry. Key attractions and challenges. Mosque.
Really not acknowledging it.
It does not look even remotely purple through the viewfinder.
Welcome aboard the Metro Insular. This train's final destination is
These two losers! Oh my god! America does love its classic architecture. Yeah. Ruined.
I'm ruining someone.
We're in downtown LA now.
We're trying to find some food.
Yeah, we are. It's not going well.
Not really.
No, because It's all expensive around these parts, isn't it, Matthew?
In it.
Yeah. Japanese grill?
Japanese barbecue.
All you can eat Japanese grill.
Day 7. Still trying to find food.
We sure we were outside this place. But we're probably going to
Not
just
giving in again. Taco Bell quite yet.
No, not yet.
Standing strong.
So, Matthew, where did we decide on? Huh? Where did we decide on for food? Who picked it, Frieden? Whoa.
I mean, they're normally about 15%, so it's pretty good for 50.
Not bad.
It really is quite nice one, actually.
Wow, hello, Mama. It's the morning after now. We're not quite in Yosemite yet, but we're at the RV site, which is, you know, it's quite nice. Gonna be hot though. Only 37. Not like the 46 we had in Vegas, but it's still gonna be hot. So, Frieden, where are we going now?
We're going to Yosemite Village.
Yosemite Village. And who's with us? Me! And who's that?
Where?
Who?
Matthew.
Yogi Bear. Oh, is he? You what? And here we see the wild Matthew in his unnatural habitat.
Habitat. Nice one. Nice one.
Shut up, I just woke up.
Usually the signs on these older buses want to say January 1st, 1990, which is before.
So we're now in a picnic area underneath El Capitan. That's it up there. Can you see it? Yeah, there's El Capitan. But we're in like this picnic area. We're on bikes now. There's our bikes. They've all abandoned me. Maybe had a nectarine. Oh, there he is, big man himself. Nectarine McCloy.
We've got bear lockers over there,
Bear lockers.
as in for your food. I like the bins here because they're the world's most robust bins. Basically.
It's because they're bear proof.
Stop the bears.
Cybertruck. We just eated Frieden's curry.
Nom 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 nom.
Was it good, guys?
Very nice.
Very nice, Marmer. Yeah. Oh look, there's color in there.
Oh no.
So what are we doing tomorrow?
Look at Matthew.
Huh? Matthew, what do you think? Should we get up at 5 in the morning? 6 in the morning, whatever it is? No, 5. No.
Everything is just interesting inside like the lens of a camera, you know?
Everything's interesting inside the lens of a camera.
Through the lens of the camera, yeah.
We're going. Shot. No. Shot. Thank you.
I feel like my depth perception is dangerously bad.
Probably.
Just this on. Whoa.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I put that on there just so.
Crackers do not belong in the washing up area.
We've used
That looks just like straight up
Who's
They're not mine, they're Marmer's.
we've used that lots of
Please store these.
What?
They were sitting by the cleaning area.
We've come upon this abandoned... Oh.
To be fair, it's not really anti-bear. Knock knock, guys. We're back.
Frieden. Hi Matthew.
It's MTV Cribs.
MTV Cribs? Not allowed.
What?
I've got the one with the stripe. And I'll be yellow. These are way too short. I think the pistol's over here.
Matthew, you have the opportunity to prove me wrong for everything I've ever said.
Go on, Matthew!
That was my third, and I was on 11. I'm 14.
I'm on 17.
Frieden's on. Oh! It's only a little bit. I'm on 16 then.
I'm on DNF. That was a bad shot from Frieden Rawding. He'll be disappointed with that one.
This guy literally cheated. Oh! This guy literally cheated.
Very good. Aggressive.
You start arguing over Pee-wee golf, you've lost.
That's what I heard. Hole in one on back.
It's an alien! It's an alien! We're on an hour.
Go already.
It didn't come out.
Right, Matthew, go.
Go, Frieden, hurry up!
It's not staying.
Oh dear.
You ready?
Well, what do you think?
Like the birds.
Like the birds. You looking at the camera this time, big boy?
Why is there a cable hanging out? Matthew, you wouldn't get that quick fill up from the tap, would you?
It's good footage.
Just a job you took the rocket feet.
Right, so you're gonna go that way.
so long as they don't mind blocking the gate.
Yeah.
Too. And the commercial, television commercial, very first Nike television commercial, featured Walter Stack, showed him swimming in the bay, he did that every day, swam for half an hour in the bay, and he would run from San Francisco.
Oh, what else can we do? We're doing some construction on the far end of the island. For us to grab a hammer and get over there, we'll help show you what to do. At the end of the day, they counted all the prisoners and locked them in very small, very stuffy cells. These were really no fun at all. Single guards would live in San Francisco and they would commute over by ferry to their ships. It was a lot more expensive to live in San Francisco than to live on the island. If you lived on the island, you paid about $35 a month.
Hello guys, today on the way out. Go over the dining hall.
Yeah, I don't no idea where he's gone. I'm guessing he's... Can you just wander around? Oh, you have to go back.
Yeah, we have to go back up.
That's the opposite.
Probably, yeah.
Just running it around in his head. It's a premium cat.
And then for your apartment.
Why not? Tell me why not.
Is that so? It's not that way.
That is that way.
I mean, it doesn't look like there's much either. We can see both ways. You can see the end of the street. So if we want.
What's the name of the woman who turns people to stone? Is it Medusa?
Yeah. Zach's about to die.
It's got.
I'm about to die.
Japanese style fried chicken, deep fried baby octopus, tempura,
Armour's technical octopus,
fried cheese,
Okay, sounds good.
soft shell crab. It's got other stuff that you want to look at.
Have you chosen?
I mean, I already will.
I get the feeling you will, yeah.
Oh yeah, just eat this bull's feet.
Wow.
How many people fall off these every year?
I imagine it's that many. It's just cooling down. You never heard a car cooling down before?
God, it's so quiet. So quiet.
You could really chop out a section and glue it together.
Is this one literally called Big Tree though?
Apparently.
Or is it? In the jungle. Matthew's climbed his first tree. What a big day for him. Smile for the camera, Matthew. Oh, look at him. He's loving it. Right, boys, time to go.
It's nice of them to be nice to each other for once, isn't it?
Come on.
Zach, what are you having for lunch? Nice. And?
Hummus.
Wow.
Hummus.
If you'd like some
Matthew, what are you having for lunch?
Pizza.
Oh, you put it in? Oh, in there. I'm also having pizza. Look at that.
This doesn't want to close.
Whoa.
You need to lift the floor up.
Frieden, what are you having for lunch?
Cheese.
Sarah Lee.
Toasty.
Bread. It's a bit dry there, mate.
Tasty.
Questionable.
Why, I stood the other. I might just open the door.
Alright, this is the driving position.
That's where the magic happens.
That's our view right now. There's a road. You can see the mirror. This is the passenger position. It's a bit stinky, so I won't get too close. Frisbee, this is Marmor's bedroom at the back of it. Look at that. Wow. He's got a little window. He's got some light. Coming over here, we've got the dining area / Zach's bed. It's transformable. That's my lunch. That's my book.
Truck.
Oh! Frieden's lunch here. Yum yum. In your tongue. More bread. There's Zach's suitcase ready to bash the door open at any second.
If I step my head up that.
This is what an average RV cupboard looks like. The microwave. Oh, have a look at this, have a look at this. Whoa. That looks pretty good.
Handmade.
Sink with cover. You got a little flappy thing that can be put up. Move back. Got our fridge. Lovely stuff. We got our stinky freezer, which we won't open. This is mine and Frieden's shared space. Yeah. Look at the lovely view at the back of the trees of Oregon. This is where I keep our stuff. These are magnetized. Wow. And this is our bathroom. Yeah. Frieden, stinky Frieden, stinky Frieden on film. Yeah.
He doesn't?
What are you talking about?
This is our shower. Another little window with
It doesn't, I've done it every time. I will demonstrate to you with
And
your
that's
head
about it.
that it doesn't play out.
Frieden's very calmly stating a point. And a wardrobe. Ah.
What's happening?
And that's about it.
Wardrobe.
We'll find a nice spot.
If I had a wetsuit on. What if I had my trunks?
Yeah, like that.
That's a lot.
That's a heaped teaspoon for $5.
I don't know.
I don't think you have.
What will happen if I do this?
I don't know. You'll make bread in your stomach. Alright, go on then. Oh, he's done it!
It's not that hard.
Oh, he's done it!
It's really nasty.
Is it?
You
can't spit it out, Matthew.
You can't spit it out. No water.
No water.
It's just the best thing ever. It's bad.
Come on.
Beating Matthew, stop it. I feel kind of bad for him. I felt bad for him.
I don't. He's about to make the easiest $5 of his life.
Did he sign away? I'm not sure this is the easiest.
I'd say it's easy.
Oh, did I say that my handshakes only last 2 hours and we shook like this?
I think it's totally convenient would have been a better way to get money. What are you doing? Just so.
Because it's gonna go thick in his mouth.
What's left?
He does.
Oh, do that again! Oh, it's nasty.
Looks like two like balls of goat cheese or something.
Why does it taste so bad?
It's flour!
Flour doesn't taste bad.
It's just plain flour. It's obviously
Flour's
gonna be
not
bad.
that bad.
You know, the worst thing I ever had to do in like a truth or dare thing was hold it. It was like so there was like 10 people and I had to hold the tea bag in my mouth until it came back around to me.
Oh god.
It was the worst thing one of the worst things I've ever done because it's so dry and you wanted to choke the whole time. It was disgusting. So disgusting. Let's see. Try that.
Hey, good job. Right, I'll do the $5 now.
Oh my god.
That was basically $5 an hour.
Yeah. Let's see. You gonna do it?
I need money. I'll do it for $5.
Was it worth it?
Yep.
Okay. And I'm from Arizona.
Hi, Zach.
Hi, Matthew.
My name is Maya, and I'm from Australia.
Yay, hi, Maya.
Hi.
My name is Stella, and I'm from Germany.
Hi, Stella.
My name's Matthew and I'm from Port Stewart.
Is that how you speak, Matthew, normally?
That's my normal voice.
Oh, good to meet you, Matthew. Hello, who are you?
Owen, I'm from Yorkshire.
Oh, fair enough. Whereabouts in Yorkshire, Owen?
West Riding.
Whereabouts is that? Whereabouts in West Riding?
Tell us your address.
I don't need to be any more specific.
And who have we got here?
I'm Frieden.
And where are you from, Frieden?
Bath.
And where were you born?
Durham.
And where have you lived most of your life?
Port Stewart.
Yeah.
Who are you?
My name's Matthew.
Okay. And where are you from?
Northern Ireland.
What town?
Halfway between Garva and Kilray.
Okay, perfect. Nice to meet you, Matthew. Nice to meet you, Frieden. Nice to meet you, Owen. Nice to meet you, Matthew. Nice to meet you, Stella. And nice to meet you, Maya.
That's nice. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Oh. That sucks. Oh, reaction. High praise.
Fine.
Lovely stuff. Fantastic. Hershey's cookies. Good. Oh, pretzels. Wait, what?
That's my granddad.
What is that?
Hello, Matthew.
Enjoying this evening.
Yes, it's good fun.
I really wasn't expecting
What
to
we just
find
played.
him. I just thought, like, for some reason he would be there.
Cheese.
Is there any places
Oh, yeah, my
around here
granddad's
like
been in the
Hull?
same place since my dad.
Like Hull?
Hull.
Apparently.
There's a pool room like
I love Hull, but
5 minutes. Done.
I love Hull. Frieden, I don't get it. That was a joke. Oh well.
This is Zoom thing, you know.
Wait, is someone singing or?
I don't know. I'm trying to pull up a video that has like lyrics and the lyrics. Singer! If you don't know this.
It's literally. So I was trying to sound out. I was like, I was trying to like. It's intuitions. Yeah. So I was expecting more of that.
Yeah, you got it. That's basically it.
I think this is it. Oh!
You just seem to be able to leave your defense in the way. I just.
Was that inside? Can we check the?
Alright, so good. We need to check the
virus.
What's the virus there? What does the virus
might have
say?
been inside.
Thankfully, you can't off someone.
Is the bar the camera back?
Yeah, this is the bar.
This is the bar. Yeah.
Video action replay right here. Whoa! Come on, Marber.
Red salmon.
He's just always able to get it straight through it.
Yeah.
Yes, the coast light stops here.
Yeah.
So there's one train to Portland later.
Alright, go on then. Where are we? What are we doing?
We are on the way to Vancouver, British Columbia.
Yeah.
Not Washington.
And how's the seat? Got some lights.
Literature.
Some emergency information. If you see something suspicious or
Very
unusual,
catchy slogan.
say something. Well, can you come up with a better one?
Something like see it, say it, and then sorted, I guess.
See it, say it, sorted. That sounds stupid. Goodbye, Seattle.
I'll sit here for a minute and then lemonade.
Don't think so. I wonder if it would open. I imagine they actually lock it. Yeah. So it won't be like Turkey.
Yeah, here we are.
Good.
I think they're just
Road again. See? Look at you.
Yeah, I guess.
Do I have to do this?
Well, Ben wants him more. Then you smell like fish.
No, then I'm giving him fish. You can't have fish.
Frieden.
How much fish can you carry?
If you can have fish, I'll just have a big bazooka. I need to have a big fucking fish. Big enough that I can keep it occupied for 2 minutes.
You're gonna snap it with the fish?
No, I'll just keep feeding it fish.
One of the big halibuts from the...
And then I'll be like, ooh, he's giving me fish.
No.
No.
Yeah, and then it'll,
Surely.
when you run
but
out
if
of
I
fish,
die, he has no more fish. But
when you run out
as
of
long
fish,
as I'm... I think I'm bigger than the sunburn. Not quite back there.
Oh, yeah.
okay, well there's 5 there, so everyone picks their bear.
Well,
I'm the polar bear.
I'm exactly the height of a dog. Well, no, it's not 5'6".
Not 5'6".
I think if you stand on that, you'll be
Oh,
right
you're right.
height.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or Stella's lying
It's a
by
black
her
bear.
height. Frieden's also lying
I'm
by
not
his
measuring
height.
in meters or feet
You
anymore.
need to stand on the thing.
I don't need this.
Yeah.
Ah, you're bigger than a black bear.
5'9".
It does say 5. Actually, it says 5'2". It says 5'2", 6 foot. So that's
5 to 6 foot.
Yeah, it says 1.5 to 1.8 meters. Makes sense. Well,
Cooler. That's cooler.
Wow,
How did
you're
they get
up to Grinder's head. Matthew.
Whoa.
Right, so now do you think you could take a grizzly bear in a fight? I don't know.
This shape of bridge of nerve? Yeah.
This is discrimination.
They found Grinder wandering alone on a Forest Service road in the Rocky Mountains. He was about the size of a house cat. He was starving to death.
And their brothers are from two different...
Two completely different families. So coastal grizzly bear and interior mountain grizzly bear.
Well, we're in there back now.
Well, yeah, just equal.
Bambi has ruined seeing deer in the wild.
It's a trail.
I mean, it's not really a walk, it's more just a huge set of stairs.
It's still walking.
Okay, well, technically, it's more like
stepping
upstairs. That's like torture.
Yeah.
Which I did sign myself up for, I'd probably do it, but right, Stella, start training.
First I will have to do the distance without. But, I mean,
First time